Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for All. In this video, we are going to solve a very important problem from Module 4 Memory Management. So the question is, consider the page reference string 0, 1, 0, 7, 1, 0, 2 up to 2, 1 for a memory with 3 frames. Determine the number of pages fault using the FIFO, optimal and LRU replacement algorithm. Which algorithm is most efficient? So now first we come with the FIFO, means first in first out. So these are the 3 frames according to the question, and this is string which is given in the question. So for 1 this is fault, after that 0, 1, 0 fault, and 107 this is fault. So in this first in first out, it means whatever the string comes first, we have to remove that string for entering the next string. So 1 is already in the last frame, so we write the string as it is in the frame. So 107 this is for hit, and 0 is also there in the last frame, so 107 this is also hit, but 2 is not there in the last frame. So which string we have to remove? We have to remove the first string which came in the frame. So in this frame, which string is coming first, which is 1, so we will remove the 1. So in place of 1, 2 string is there, so 207. In next string, 1 is not there in the frame. So in the last frame, 1 is not there. So which string we have to remove? We have to remove the 0 string which is coming first. So 1 string is there, so in place of 0, 1 is coming, so 217. Our new string is 2, so in the last frame 2 is there, so we can write it same. So 217 this is hit and this is fault. Like that, whatever new string which is 3, so in our frame 3 is not there, so which string we have to remove? We have to remove the 7 string which is coming first. So in place of 7, our new string is there which is 3, so 213. So our new string is 0. 0 is not there in the last frame, so which string we have to remove to get the 0 string, which is 2, because 2 is first in first out in respect to 1 and 3 string. So in place of 2, 0 is there, so 0, 1, 3. So in the last frame 3 is there, so we write it the same string in the frame. So 0, 1, 3 this is fault and this is hit. Now coming to this, our new string is 2 and our last frame is 0, 1, 3. So which string we have to remove to get the new string which is 2? So 1 we have to remove because it is coming first. So in place of 1, we are taking new string which is 2. So 0, 2, 3. So now our new string is 4. So in the last frame 4 is not there. So which string we have to remove to get our new string which is 4? So we have to remove the third string in the last frame. So third is coming the first, that's why we are removing third. So 4, 0, in place of 3, 4 is coming, so 0, 2, 3, and our new string is 0. So 0 is already there in the frame, so this is nothing but hit, this is fault. Like that, 0, 2, 4 is there in the last frame, but 3 is not there because 3 is new string. So which string we have to remove to get the new string? So we have to remove the 0 because 0 is coming first. So in place of 0, 3 is there, so 3, 2, 1, and for next new string is 6. So 6 is not there in the last frame. So which string we have to remove to get the new string which is 2, because 2 is coming here. 3, 6, 4, like that up to, because in the last frame 3, 6, 2, 1 is not there. So which string we have to remove to get the value of 1, to get the string 1? So we have to remove the 3. So 1, 6, 2. So this is also a fault. So we have to calculate the number of pages fault and 8 fault, pages 8. So number of pages fault which is equals to 13, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So this is 13. So how can we calculate the percentage, which is nothing but 13 by 18 into 100, which is 17.2. And how can we calculate this is nothing but page hit. So 5 by 18 into 100, 18 is nothing but total number of pages, which is equals to 27.8. So like this you have to calculate the FIFO. So now we are coming for LRU, means least recent use. So these are the string we are mentioning there. These are the 3 frames. So first we enter 1 in the frame. This is fault, this is also fault, and this is also fault. So 107. So we have to remove the least recent use string. So our least recent use string is nothing but 7. But our new string is 1. So 1 is there in the last frame. So we are not removing our 7 string. So like we have to write same is here. So 107. In what is our new string? 0. So 0 is there in the last frame. So we are writing same is there, so 107. But our new string is 2. 2 is not there in the last frame. So what we have to do? We have to remove the least recent use. which is 7. So we have to remove the 7. In place of 7, our new string is there, which is 102, and our new string is 1. So our last frame 1 is there, so we write it same 107. This is nothing but hit. So up to like this, you have to go along with the end of the string. So at end of the string 2 is there. So in last frame 2 is not there. So what we have to remove? We have to remove the string which is least recent use, which is 0. So in place of 0, 2 is there. So 6, 2, 3, and our new string is 1, and our least recent use string is 3. So in the last frame we have to remove the 3. In place of 3, our new string is there, which is 1. So 6 to 1, this is nothing but fault. So how many page fault are there? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 page fault are there. So 12 by 18 to 100, this is nothing but 66.6 for page fault. Now what is page 8? So already we know that 18 are there. So 18 minus 12, which is equals to 6. So 6 page hit are there. So 6 divided by 18 into 100, which is equals to 33.33. Like that, we are moving our third part, which is optimal. So in case of optimal, we are using in place of one new string there in the, so 107. So what are the, we are looking for the right side. So in right side 7 is not there up to at last string. So we are removing 7 here. In place of 7, we are entering our, in optimal we are entering string 1 in frame 0 and 7. So 107. So our new string is 1. So in the last frame our new string 1 is there. So we write it same here. This is for hit. And 0 is also there. So we can write it for 0, which is same, called hit. Now our new string is 2. In last frame 2 is not there. So what we have to do? We have to remove the string from the right hand side. So our 1 is there, 0 is there, but 7 is not there up to the end of the string. So what we have to do? We have to remove the 7. In place of 7, our new string is there, which is 2. So 102, and our new string is 1, but 1 is there in the last frame. So we write it same here to the next frame, which is called as hit. So like this you have to solve at the end. In this case 304. So 304. In case of this, we are using here our FIFO, means first in first out. So in 304, what is the come, which is 3. So in place of 3, we are writing 6. So 6 not 604. Up to last we have to calculate at the end of the string. So how many page fault are there? Which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So page fault is 9, and what is our hit, which is 9. So we have to calculate the percentage of page fault and hit fault. So in the question it is asked about which algorithm is most efficient. So we can clearly see that our FIFO page 8 is 27.8, and our LRU hit is 33.33, and our optimal is 50%. So by seeing the data, we can clearly say that our optimal is the best and most efficient algorithm for this. So like that you have to solve in the examination to get the full marks. I already upload the notes in the Telegram channel. Link is given in the description. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.